Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a fillable PDF form with email submit button. Open your PDF file with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Now simply select this tools option and scroll down. Here we will find this prepare from option. Select here. Now select start. This automatically detected this field as a text field. Now select preview and type here. You can type a text, number, symbol. Yeah. Now select edit option. I will insert here new text box. Here we will find this text box option. Simply select here and go to your text box. Now select right button for properties and go generate option. Select. You can change your text box name. Also you can add tooltip. This from field visible hidden. You can make it read only required and go appearance option. You can change border color, borderline thickness, fill color, right? So also you can change text font size and choose auto. Font style you can choose here. Now option. Here you can align text center. You can add multi-line. Also you can limit text character. Now simply select close and select preview. Now type text. This middle align already added and border color already showing here. Now I will insert here email button. Again select edit. Here we will find this OK button option. Select and now do your email button box. Double click on this box for properties, or you can open this, click right button and appearance. Same way it says border color, thick, fill color, white, auto. Now select option. Here you can add email button name. Email. Also you can change the layout, behavior. Now select action and select here submit a form and select add. Type here mail to and your email. Okay. You can mail comment, field, only field, all field, HTML, exhibit include. Also you can select PDF document, whole document. Now select OK and close and select preview and click on this email button and see this. You can send this mail for Microsoft Outlook, or you can use at Gmail web mail. I'll use Microsoft Outlook. Now select continue. Yeah, this mail already added here. Now simply select send for email. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.